Advice I would give to young women in high school is to seek greatness. I feel like too often women take comfortable routes, they take the easy routes, and I think it's time that we as women, especially women of color, tap into our natural born strength that empowers us to be great.
Never let anyone tell you that you can't do anything.
I would say dream big. If you want to do something crazy, do it.
A lot of people are going to try to discourage you. They're going to tell you you're not good enough, but just always remember that you're more powerful than you think and that you can do anything.
Speak up, ask questions, be open-minded.
Figure out what your values are. And what I mean by values is what is most important to you.
Don't wait for somebody to tell you that you can do something. Seek out mentors when you're in high school and in college. Do as many internships that are afforded to you.
You will constantly be in a room full of men, but really own it, because your uniqueness is what's going to drive innovation.
To be courageous and to move with intention, to make sure that they're not allowing other blockers or distractions to get into their way.
Never forget or think that people don't know who you are. Shine regardless of, what's going on around you.
Stay informed, challenge yourself, learn lots of different things, and don't worry about not having it all figured out right now. You have plenty of time to do that.
It's okay to put yourself out there and to be recognized. Let yourself be known and make a statement.
There will be times that you will face adversity and the odds will be set against you, but always remember that you do bring value and you do belong.
If your dream doesn't exist, be relentless in pursuing whatever you believe it to be. Be brave and bold in everything you do.
Try to understand, listen to yourself, figure out what you enjoy. Don't be told no. If there's something that you want, go for it. You can do it.
Rely on your own knowledge of yourself and always pursue your dreams.
Have a focus, have a goal, and have a passion. And then from there, kind of follow up with what you need to do to make that come true and try to stick to it.
Own your interests, own your passions, and follow them. Don't let external influences change who you are at your core.
My name is Nikki, and my Black is unique.
My name is Regina, and my Black is strong, yet also vulnerable.
My name is Allie, and my Black is magical.
My name is Brittany, and my Black is confident.
My name is Jaylena Patterson, and my Black is enlightened.
My name is Ayori, and my Black is African ancestry.
My name is Jenny, and my Black is mixed and mighty.
My name is Shantae, and my Black is proud.
My name is Marissa, and my Black is trailblazing.
My name is Erica Allen, and my Black is resilient.
My name is Shalea, and my Black is flawless.
My name is Ebony, and my Black is polished, intelligent, and graceful.
My name is Octavia, and my Black is luminescently fabulous.
My name is Keontae Williams, and my Black is fearless.
My name is Angelica, and my Black is blessed and highly favored.
My name is Latrice, and my Black is brilliant.
My name is Javetti Lockett, and my Black is courageous.
My name is Lindsay, and Black is beautiful, and Black is the most beautiful thing that there truly is.
I love it. That's the one.
I have two things to say about this video, so please listen to both. Out of the countless women giving advice on this video, which one felt like they were talking directly to you? And the second thing is, please, please, please place some of your best advice in the comments. You may be able to help someone. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.